Today we are going to show you how to do correct abdominal breathing, okay? And the reason why this is important is for core stabilization. This is actually like phase one of core stabilization rehab that we do in the office. What we notice is a lot of time with our low back pain patients or even shoulder or neck pain, we do start to notice that we lack good core stabilization. When that happens, everything becomes unstable and we develop pain, unfortunately, all right? So most of our patients actually come in with something called paradoxical breathing, and another fancy way of saying bad breathing. And unfortunately, it means that we're not getting enough movement and we're not getting any kind of breathing through the abdominal wall. It's basically all in the chest, right? And that's actually using our accessory muscles for respiration. It basically creates a lot of tension through our musculoskeletal system. So we don't want paradoxical breathing, we want abdominal breathing, and let me show you what that looks like, okay? Connor, do me an example and do me a favor and show me an example of paradoxical breathing. Good. So what you'll notice is that Connor, as he's breathing, there's almost no movement down here through the red band, which is actually showing his abdominal wall. And that's actually tied at the level of the belly button, all right? So you can do this at home, right? Tie something around your belly button all the way around, and you can kind of actually see how things move. And if you're watching, Connor's breathing almost entirely through his chest and shoulders. You can actually physically see his shoulders going up and down with each breath. I probably see this on about 99% of my patients, okay? This is wrong. Even though 99% of us do it, this is actually wrong. All right, so we want to see, and go ahead and relax. So what we want to see is we want to see abdominal breathing. Abdominal breathing is actually when the abdomen expands instead of the chest. There's very little movement up here, and 99% of the movement should be down here. There's a little bit of rib flare with it, but not a whole lot. So we use this red band to kind of give our patients a sensation. So you're going to want to do it at home. It's what we call proprioception, so you can actually kind of feel where things are a little bit better. Tied around your belly button. And when he breathes, he is going to imagine that he is filling up a balloon. So a balloon does not expand only in one way when you put some air into it, right? So when he does it, he's actually trying to create tension and pressure and an outward push all the way around his core. There's going to be a little bit less through the low back, and you're going to get most of it through the sides and the front. But when he's doing it, he's really kind of imagining pushing out in all directions with his inhale. So when he breathes in, it goes out. When he exhales, it comes in a little bit. Connor, do me a favor and show some abdominal breathing for me, if you don't mind. There you go. So notice the immediate difference. Almost no movement through his chest and shoulders, right? So all of his breathing now, if you can watch, is coming through that red band. This is perfect abdominal breathing. This is a great exercise to do at home. It is square one for reestablishing good core stabilization through the abdomen. If you have any questions, always remember to send them my way, and thank you very much.